So you're thinking about using Gusto for payroll. Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through what setting up Gusto actually involves step by step. You can also get a free $100 Visa gift card and an extended free trial by using the link below, but more on that later. Now, this video is going to be for you if either you're about to start payroll for the first time, you've signed up for Gusto, but you haven't touched it yet, you're switching from another payroll provider, or you've never run payroll before and you want to see how difficult or easy it really is. And if you already have Gusto set up and you just want to see how to run payroll, I'll link my full tutorial on screen right now in the description below. So let's dive in and talk about what Gusto setup actually looks like. Well, Gusto setup follows a guided checklist, and most small businesses can finish their setup in about 20 to 30 minutes, assuming that you have all of your business information ready and in front of you. I'm going to walk you through each part of the checklist so you know exactly what to expect and how to fill things out properly. Now, before you begin, it helps to have your EIN, and you can get this from the IRS for free if you don't have it yet, your business address, your business bank login, and that's because you can't run payroll from your personal checking account. If you don't have a business bank account yet, I'm going to link to a video outlining my top pick on screen, and there's a link to sign up in the description below as well. That's the bank account that I've been using for multiple different businesses now for about 2 or so years. You're also going to need your basic employee info, so think things like their name, their address, what state they live in, and the date that you want your payroll to start. That's absolutely it. There's no complicated paperwork you need to have up front, just those simple things. And I'm going to take you through the process step by step right now. And the first step is to use that link in the description below so that you get the $100 Visa gift card. And I will say, you don't have to use my link. That link does help to support the channel. But if you use someone's referral link, you are going to get that $100 bonus, but you won't get it unless you use someone's referral link. So once you get to that page, you're going to enter your business information and then press get started in order to dive in. Gusto is going to ask you a few basic questions, including things like how many employees you have, whether you have run payroll before, your business type, and the state that your business is based in. And this is just to customize the setup experience. Nothing here is going to lock you into a specific plan. You're then going to create your account and set up two-factor authentication to make sure your account is very secure. This is quite important with your payroll software. Now, once you're logged in, you're going to see a setup checklist on the left-hand side. This checklist really is the backbone of the entire setup process, and it's going to include your company information, the employees that you are going to be running payroll for, federal and state tax information, your bank account, your pay schedule, and you'll go through this process just once, and then after that, payroll becomes very simple. So let's start off with the company information. Here, you're going to enter your business name, your business address. Gusto is going to use this information to apply the correct payroll tax rules, not to perfectly label your business. So if you don't find the perfect label, don't worry about it. Just choose the closest match. Now, you'll add your employees. If you're an S corporation owner, you are going to add yourself as a W-2 employee. The reason for this is because if you're an S corp, you're technically the owner of your business and an employee, and you're going to receive salary and distributions. And so salary is going to run through Gusto, and your distributions can just run through a bank transfer or whatever other means you would like to use to get money from your business bank account to your personal. Now, for each employee, you're going to enter their start date, their salary or hourly pay, and their job title. After that, your employees are going to complete the rest of the process themselves through their own Gusto login. That's going to include things like their tax withholding information and their direct deposit details. This is going to eliminate a lot of back and forth and them having to send you sensitive information. Step 5 is going to be your tax setup. Now, this might get a bit dense, but stick it out because there is that extended free trial that I talked about. I promise it's going to be worth it. And Gusto is really going to walk you through this entire process. First, you're going to have to enter your federal tax information. So things like your EIN, your business address, etc. Next, you're going to have to go through the state tax registration process. Now, this is going to be different state by state, so your process might look different from mine. But in going through this, if you don't have your state tax ID numbers yet, you're going to set those up. You're going to enter in any tax rates that you know about your business for unemployment insurance, things like that. But Gusto makes this very easy, and there are step-by-step tutorials for each state on their website. Employees are going to complete their federal W-4 digitally inside of Gusto. I will flag that some states do also require a separate signed state withholding form, which Gusto is going to flag if it applies to you. So for example, I'm in Texas, which doesn't have state income tax, so there's no separate state form to worry about. But in states like California, New York, employees usually need to complete that additional state form. Gusto is going to prompt you when required and make that entire process very simple and easy. And if you're unsure about withholding amounts at any point, Gusto will link directly to the IRS estimator, but it doesn't give tax advice, so make sure to do your own research and talk to a CPA if you need to. The next step is going to be to connect your business bank account. This is the account payroll is going to be pulled from, typically just your normal business checking account. For this, Gusto uses Plaid, which allows instant verification in most cases. Now, one other important note is that payroll funds are going to be withdrawn before payday, usually 1 or 2 business days ahead, depending on your setup. So make sure that when you're setting up when your payroll is actually going to run, you make sure that you have the funds in your bank account a few days in advance. And again, Gusto is going to tell you all of this information so that you know what dates are important. The next step is to enter your federal and state tax details. So you're going to enter things like, again, your EIN, your business type, your federal filing form, which is usually a Form 941, but if it's different for you, you'll probably know. And after that, you're going to complete your state tax setup. This is going to vary by state, but Gusto walks you through it step by step to keep it really easy and straightforward. Now, you'll choose your pay schedule. So you can choose to run payroll either weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, semi-monthly, or quarterly, and Gusto is going to show you the earliest possible payday based on your setup and bank verification. Then you're going to need to fill out some documents and verification forms. Gusto is automatically going to generate any required documents, including things like your federal W-4 and direct deposit authorization, which you'll be able to sign directly in Gusto. You might also need to verify your bank account if that didn't work earlier with Plaid. Now you're going to have to make an important decision, which is choosing your plan. Gusto offers 3 main plans, and I'll walk through those simply right now. The first of which is their simple plan, also sometimes known as their solo plan if you are a one-person business. This is going to run you $49 per month and $6 per employee per month. This is going to be best for companies that want to run payroll in one single state and want the most cost-affordable option out there. However, if you have employees in multiple states, then you'll want to be looking at the Plus plan, which is going to run you $80 per month plus $12 per employee per month. This adds things like multi-state payroll and schedule building if you have, say, a physical business where you need to schedule different employees at different hours to come into your location. Now, if you want a little bit more handholding, then you might be looking at the premium plan, which is $180 per month plus $22 per employee per month. This is going to add things like advanced HR support and compliance guidance to give you a little bit more of a white glove experience. Most solo owners and small teams are going to start with that simple plan and then upgrade later if needed. Personally, I've been using the simple plan for about 5 years and I haven't needed to upgrade yet. But if I do end up hiring full-time employees in multiple states, then I might need to do that. And at this point, you're able to get everything in place, onboard all your people, get things fully set up so that payroll is ready to run in the click of a button. But until you click that button, you're not getting charged. So I set up everything my first year and then just waited until the end of the year to run payroll and basically got a 12-month free trial by doing that. Now let's talk about what happens after setup is complete. So payroll is only going to take a few minutes to run per pay period. Gusto is going to remove all of the manual tax forms, spreadsheet payroll, guesswork around deadlines, and make it very simple and straightforward through the calendar that exists within your account. So you can see exactly when you need to do every action, and they'll also send you reminders via email. Now, if you haven't yet signed up for Gusto, again, you can use the link below the video to get started and receive that $100 free Visa gift card. And if you already have Gusto and want to see exactly how to run payroll, which is the next step, you can watch my full Gusto payroll tutorial next. It's going to be linked on screen and in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.